Typically, damages must be calculated with specificity to be recoverable. But the damages caused by a lost opportunity can't be calculated with complete specificity. Does this mean a plaintiff can never recover damages for a lost opportunity? The United States Court of Claims answered this question in Locke v. United States. Harvey Locke owned a typewriter repair business. Locke bid on and was awarded a one-year government contract to provide typewriter repair services to federal offices in the San Diego area. 3 other repair companies received similar contracts. During the one-year contract period, if a federal office in San Diego needed a typewriter repaired, it was required to select one of the 4 companies. For 7 months, Locke's company provided services under the contract. The government then terminated Locke's contract 5 months early, preventing him from getting any further government repair orders in San Diego. Locke bid on a similar typewriter repair contract in Texas. The government reviewed the San Diego contract termination and evidence unrelated to the San Diego contract. The government ultimately found that Locke was a non-responsible bidder and rejected his Texas bid. Locke filed appeals with the General Service Administration's Board of Review, seeking damages for the termination of his San Diego contract and the rejection of his Texas bid. For the San Diego contract, the board found that the government had wrongfully terminated the contract. However, Locke couldn't prove what amount of damages he'd suffered. The contract was a requirements contract, which meant that the government had to buy only the repair services it required. Further, the contract allowed the federal offices to choose one of the other companies for repairs. Thus, the contract didn't guarantee Locke a specific amount of work. There was no way to prove how many repair jobs Locke had lost due to the contract's early termination, if any. Because Locke's damage amount was uncertain, the board didn't award Locke any damages for the government's contract breach. For the Texas bid, the board ruled that the evidence unrelated to the wrongful termination of the San Diego contract supported the government's rejection, and thus that the rejection had been proper. Locke appealed the board's decisions to the United States Court of Claims.